It's the end of the day, and this is what I look like. Good morning. I'm getting ready to scramble my eggs. This is one of the most hit recipes on my website. I didn't actually make this recipe up. This is from Jeff, my publisher, Jeff Slattery, and it's great. So I'm ready to go. We have 4 eggs going in, 50 grams of butter going in, and this is unsalted butter so that you can control the level of salt that you like in your scramble. Who knew you could scramble in here? Seriously, who did? Lots of people, because they keep hitting that website. 50 grams. Well, close enough. Okay, 100 grams of milk, whole milk. Just milk the little Bannister Downs milk bag. And pepper. And the salt of, however much you would like. And then we're going to blitz that together for 5 seconds on speed 6. Done. Now we're going to cook it. Now, is that bizarre? Scrambled eggs in the Thermi. Watch this space. Okay, we're going to go 8 minutes. And if you like a runnier egg, you go 7 minutes. 90 degrees, people. No butterfly. Speed 4. See you soon. Bagel at the ready. Okie dokie. We have got cooked egg. Just going to scrape that down. Kids, breakfast ready. Okay. Now at this point, the recipe states that you can blitz it on speed 9. And I have done that and I don't love it. So I'm stopping right now, right here. I'm calling it, and I'm saying, here's my bagel. We're ready to go. Look at that, silky, beautiful. Serves 2, maybe 3 at a pinch. We're just going to do a little bit of salt on top. Don't have to, but a bit of pepper. And some chives. And you know what? I could have had a shower, I could have done the toast, I could have made the lunches while breakfast was cooking. What do you reckon? Pretty good, huh?